Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this interesting geometry problem. We are given a triangle and an inscribed semicircle, and we asked to find the area of the semicircle marked red. Alright, let's get started. How can we find the area of semicircle? Definitely we need the radius. And how can we find the radius? Another work. Alright, you should know that a line that touches a circle at exactly one point is called a tangent. So we have two tangent lines here, 1 and 2. So what is the point of tangency? Exactly the point where the line touches the circle. So we have one point here and we have another point here. So I would like to connect the point of tangency to the center of the circle. So we have one line here and we have another here. Right? All right. Then I would like to connect B to the center. Something like this. Now, if you observe, we have two other triangles. Let me mark them for you. We have one here, right? And we have the other one here. And remember that area of triangle is what? Half the base times the height. So if we should add this area and this area together, it will give us the total area of the triangle in terms of the radius, because you can see that this is a radius, this is radius, this is another radius. So let us find the total area of the triangle. So area of triangle, let me call it ET, equals, let's start with this triangle, half, the base is 14, and the height is the radius. Then plus the other one, which is also half, the base, which is 13, then multiply by the radius, which is the height, right? So this is the area of the triangle. And because the three sides are given, we can use Heron's formula to find the area of that triangle. So let's do that. So the area of this triangle, according to Heron's formula, it is equal to the square root of s multiplied by s minus a multiplied by s minus b multiplied by s minus c, for which s here is the semi-perimeter. Let me write it here. S equal to semi-perimeter. That is the perimeter of that triangle divided by 2, where a, b, and c are the side lines given. All right, so let us find the semi-perimeter first. The three sides are 15, 14, and 13. 15, 14, and 13, all divide by 2. So if you add all of these together, you divide by 2, this will give us 21 cm. Therefore, the semi-perimeter is 21 cm. Let us substitute everything back to this formula in order to find our area. So therefore, the area of that triangle will be equal to the square root of s, which is 21, multiplied by 21 minus a. Let me use 15 here. 21 minus 14. 21 minus 13. This will give us the square root of 21 multiplied by what? 21 minus 15 is 6. Multiplied by 21 minus 14 is 7. Multiplied by 21 minus 13 is 8. Right? If you multiply all of this together, you're going to get 7,056. And if you take square root of 7,056, that will give us 84 exactly. Therefore, the area of that triangle is equal to 84 cm squared. But we have seen that this is also the area of that triangle, so we are going to equate them. So this implies that half the base times the height plus another half the base times the height is equal to 84, because this is an area, this is another area, they are exactly the same. So now let us multiply both sides by 2 in order to eliminate this 1 over 2. So this will be 14r plus 13r equals 84 times 2 is going to give us 168. The left hand side, if you add these two together, you get 27, right? So we have 27r equals 168. You divide both sides by 27r is equal to 168 divided by 27. And this to the simplest form is equal to 56 divided by 9 if you divide the top and the bottom by 3. And hence, this is the radius of that semicircle. And to find the area of the semicircle which we are looking for, remember, area of semicircle is area of circle divided by 2. So therefore, area of semicircle is equal to half of the area of a circle, right? So this is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius squared, and the radius is 56 divided by 9. 56 divided by 9 whole squared. So this is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by, what is 56 squared? 56 squared is 3,136 divided by 9 squared, which is 81. Then half of this, because we have 1 over 2 here, if you divide it by 2, you're going to get 1,568. So this is 1,568 pi divided by 81. The unit is what? Cm squared. And hence, this is said to be the area of that semicircle. But if you want to round it in decimal, you can substitute the value of pi, multiply and divide by 81, and that will be approximately equal to 60.82 cm squared. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.